What to do if your client comes to you and says that their sales funnel copy isn't working. Christa Nichols, and I've made over $1 million inside my freelance copywriting business in the last 4 years. Here's what I do if a client comes to me and says they need help with their sales funnel copy. First, I ask them where their traffic's coming from. I want to know who they're sending to the page and how they're getting there. Next, I ask to see the ads. I want to know if the person is getting a consistent experience from the time that they click on the ad to when they land on the page. If they end up on the page and it's nothing like the ad, there's definitely a disconnect happening there. On the page, I ask to see the stats in the background, what's going on with the conversion rate, and I ask them if they have a heat map installed, something like Hotjar that will track the traffic and show you what the readers are doing on the page. I can tell you where they're getting stuck, where they're stopping. As I'm looking at the page itself, I'm especially looking to see if the headlines are grabby enough to keep people on the page. If they don't have a heat map, there's no way to tell how long they're staying. So you have to know what's going to work for that audience. I also look to see if the buyer's journey is clear. If a buyer thinks that they can go out and just get the same thing for cheaper, they will. There has to be a unique selling proposition. So traffic, heat map, hook, unique selling proposition. Those are the big 4 things that I look for when my clients ask me to help their sales funnel copy convert better. Follow me for more tips for freelance copywriting mamas.